Hello everyone, in this video we are going to design a mechanical 3D part in Solidworks. This is the part which we are going to design. This is the isometric view of the part. And as for the dimensions, these are the dimensions of this part. Now let's go to the Solidworks and design this part. After going to the Solidworks, create a new 3D part. Look here, the dimensions is in inches and we have to change it to the millimeters. After changing it to the millimeters, we have to select the plane. And as for this design, this is the top view of the part. So we have also to select the top plane. Select the top plane and go to the sketcher. And after going to the sketcher, we have to draw a circle which is 80 mm. The diameter of the circle is 80 mm. Select the circle and draw a circle. Now select the small dimensions and give the dimensions to the circle. And the dimensions of the circle is 80 mm diameter. Now exit the sketch. Now we have to give the thickness to the circle. For giving the thickness, we have to select extruded base. Select the extruded base. And the thickness of this circle is 5 mm. I had given 5 and press enter. The thickness is added to the circle and the remaining is these holes. They are 3 circular holes, and for giving these holes we have to select this face and go to the sketcher. After going to the sketcher, select a circle, draw a circle straight to the point. Now select the small dimensions. Give the diameter of this smaller circle is 10 mm and the distance from the center of the smaller circle to the center of this bigger circle is 28. Now we have to repeat these circles based on this big circle. For doing it, go to the circular sketch pattern, select the circle which we have to repeat, this circle, and press enter. See, the circles got repeated. Now exit the sketch. Select extruded cut for cutting the holes and press OK. See, the holes are formed. And the remaining is the cut of this slot. For cutting of this slot, select the face, go to the sketcher and select a straight slot. Place the point in center of the circle and another point in outer of the circle straight. The distance of the slot doesn't matter, only the radius of the slot is the matter, and the radius of the slot is 14 mm. Give it 14 mm and press enter. Now exit the sketch. Select extruded cut for cutting and press OK. That's it. See, the part is formed. As for the dimensions,